Good day, Betanians. Now, our subject for today is MAPEH. So, we're going to study one of the topic in music, musical notes and rest. Musical notes and rest. Every letter on the staff has an equivalent note. A note has three parts: the note head, the stem, and the flag. So, look at the picture. So, the note head is either open or filled black. A stem is a thin line that extends either up or down from the note head. The line extends from the right if pointing upward or from the left if pointing downward. The flag is a curvy mark to the right of the stem. Its purpose is to tell you how long to hold a note. So those are the parts of the note. Ayan, kaya sinabi kanina, iba-iba ang itsura ng note head kasi katulad ng half note, di ba wala siyang black sa loob. Then yung quarter note, filled naman siya ng black color. Kaya iba-iba ang itsura ng ating note head. Note values. A closed note head with the stem is a quarter note. It gets 1 beat. An open note head with the stem is a half note, and it gets 2 beats. An open note that looks like an O without a stem is a whole note, and it gets 4 beats. So, ayan. So, last time, naipakita ko na sa inyo kung ano ang values na beat ng ating notes and rest. Kaya alam ko, nakabisado nyo na kung ano-ano ang kanilang number of beats. Ayan. So, sa note values, kada isang note meron siyang bilang. So, minsan, ina-add na lang natin siya para mabilang natin ang number of beats. So, the length of a note can be extended. A dot signifies the extension of the note. For example, a dot after the note head adds another half of the note's duration to it. Yan. So, tingnan nyo yung example na to. Si half note with a dot. Ibig sabihin po ng dot na to is i-add natin siya or mag-extend siya ng half ng value ng katabi niya. Halimbawa, si half note. Si half note ay merong 2 number of beats and the half of 2 is 1. So, yung dotted half note is equals to 3 beats. So, yun po yung ating tatandaan sa mga dotted notes. Kung sino yung katabi niya, mag-a-add ka ng another half ng value ng katabi niya. Another example is whole note, dotted whole note. Kapag si whole note ay may katabing dot, ibig sabihin, dadagdagan natin siya ng value, ng kalahati ng value niya. Ang value niya is 4 bits, and dahil may dot siya, so ang half ng 4 is 2. So, magiging result niyan, 4 plus 2 is 6. So, magre-result yon na ang dotted whole note is equals to 6 bits. So, hindi lang si note ang may value. Siyempre, pati si rest ay may value. Siya ang nagbibigay ng bilang kung gaano kahaba magpopos ang music. So, rest in music. What is a rest in music? A rest takes place when there is no beat or there is a pause in music. Just like a note, a rest shows us how long it should be held based on its shape. Now, let us try to add the value of each note. First, the value of quarter note. The quarter note has 1 beat. Next, the whole note, and whole note has 4 beats. And another quarter note is 1 beat. So, when we add this together, so it will total in to 6 beats. So, another example is the half note. The half note has 2 beats. The quarter note has 1 beat. And another quarter note has 1 beat. So, the total of this is 4 beats. Ayan. So, di ba parang napakadaling addition lang yan? So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to memorize the number of beats ng bawat note and rest. Kaya mas madali na sa'yo para tuusin ang total beats ng mga notes. And that's all for our music lesson. So now let's proceed to health. So our topic sa health is nutrients that provide energy. So let's define first what is nutrient. A nutrient is a chemical substance in food that helps maintain the body. So some provide energy. All help build cells and tissues and regulate bodily processes such as breathing. So no single food supplies all the nutrients the body needs to function. So ang nutrients ay nakukuha natin sa mga food na kinakain natin. Ayan, so kaya nga ngayong panahon ng pandemic, sabi nga ng mga professionals, ng mga doctors, piliin natin yung mga food na makakapagbigay sa atin ng lakas and makakapagpalakas ng ating immune system. Nutrients that provide energy. Foods that give us the right nutrition are classified into groups. There are food groups that provide us energy. There are those which help us grow, and there are those which help us regulate our body functions. The food group which give our body the energy we need every day is classified as the GO foods. This food group is rich in carbohydrates, which are the most important source of energy for our body. Ayan, so talagang kailangan natin ng GO foods. So without any of these foods in a day makes 1 week due to lack of energy to sustain the physical activities of day-to-day living. So kung wala tayong energy, wala tayong ma-accomplish na activity sa isang araw. The food nutrients that provide energy for our active body include the following: rice, noodles, crackers, cookies, cereals, pizza crust, honey, sweet potato, fruit jams, cakes, bread, and pasta. Pero hindi dahil ito yung mga foods na makakapagbigay sa atin ng energy ay kakain na tayo ng sobrang dami. Ang sobra ay nakakasama, lalo na ang mga noodles at other sweets. So let's study carbohydrates. What it does. Your body converts carbohydrates to glucose, or a simple sugar that is your body's main source of energy. Your body uses energy from carbohydrates to do every task. So 4 calories per gram. So there are simple and complex carbohydrates. So mga examples natin dito, yung mga fruit, milk, sugarcane, whole grains, nuts, potatoes, seeds, mga fiber, mga vegetables, oatmeal, and brown rice. So dyan natin makukuha ang carbohydrates. So metabolism, it is a chemical reaction in the body that convert the fuel from food into the energy we need. Ayan, so nag-search ako ng mga foods to eat for energy. At ito ang nakita ko. Honey, apples, eggs, sweet potatoes, salmon, oranges, bananas, oats, beans, spinach, yogurt, and almond. Ayan. So, tandaan nyo lang, maging maingat tayo sa pagpili ng mga pagkaing kakainin natin. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, kailangan manatili tayong malakas upang hindi tayo madaling kapitan ng sakit. So, that's all for our topic sa health. And hope you enjoy our topic. So, now get your book and ball pen and mag-start na tayo sa ating activities.